7 powerful reasons to apply castor oil before bed. As experts in nutrition and wellness, we're continually fascinated by how natural remedies can transform our health. Castor oil is one such remedy, a powerful, multifaceted oil that has been revered for centuries for its wide range of health benefits. Whether you're dealing with sleep disturbances, joint pain, or skin issues, castor oil offers solutions that are both effective and natural. Let's explore the remarkable ways castor oil can enhance your health, especially when applied before bed. Reason 1. Aid for sleep issues. Sleep is fundamental to our well-being, yet many of us struggle with quality rest. Insomnia and sleep disorders affect both our nights and days, often leading to dependence on sleep medications. Castor oil offers a natural alternative, helping many improve sleep without pharmaceuticals. Applying castor oil to your eyelids before bed might seem unusual, but this simple practice enhances relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Its soothing properties calm the nervous system, promoting deeper, more restorative sleep. If eyelid application doesn't appeal, consider using castor oil in aromatherapy. Mixing it with calming essential oils like lavender or peppermint and applying it to your temples creates a powerful relaxation synergy that promotes peaceful sleep, becoming a comforting part of your bedtime routine. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine could be the key to unlocking a better night's sleep, helping you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Reason 2. Improve joint health. Joint pain and inflammation, common as we age, can severely impact quality of life. Castor oil, known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, has been used for centuries to treat joint pain and stiffness. Castor oil's ability to deeply penetrate the skin allows it to effectively lubricate joints, reducing inflammation and increasing mobility. Its promotion of blood circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the affected area, aiding healing and reducing discomfort. Many have reported significant reductions in joint pain and stiffness after using castor oil. Combined with gentle massage, it can relax tense muscles and reduce pressure on joints, making daily activities easier. For those with chronic conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, regular application, especially before bed, offers natural relief without the need for continuous medication. Reason 3. Promotes healthy digestion. Digestive health is vital for overall well-being, and castor oil has long been valued for its ability to support a healthy digestive system. For those facing irregular bowel movements, bloating, or discomfort, castor oil can offer significant relief. Castor oil stimulates the intestine's muscles, aiding in more efficient waste movement and helping alleviate constipation. Many find that a small dose before bed promotes a smoother, more regular digestive process. Beyond its laxative effects, castor oil cleanses the intestines by removing toxins and supporting a healthier digestive environment. It also helps reduce abdominal bloating and promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which are essential for digestive health and immunity. Reason 4. Good for dry skin. Dry skin is a common issue that can be frustrating to manage, especially when it doesn't respond well to conventional moisturizers. Castor oil offers a natural and effective solution, providing deep hydration that helps restore the skin's moisture balance. The key to castor oil's moisturizing power lies in its high ricinoleic acid content. This fatty acid helps to lock in moisture, creating a barrier that protects the skin from drying out. Unlike some commercial moisturizers that contain alcohols or fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin, castor oil is gentle and suitable for all skin types. Many people who have struggled with persistent dry skin find that castor oil offers relief that other products simply can't match. Its versatility allows it to be used on any part of the body, from the face to the heels, providing long-lasting hydration that softens and smooths the skin. For those who prefer a more luxurious feel, castor oil can be mixed with other oils like coconut or almond oil, creating a rich, nourishing blend that leaves the skin feeling silky and soft. In addition to its moisturizing properties, castor oil is also known for its ability to reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Regular application can help fade these marks over time, thanks to the oil's ability to penetrate deep into the skin and promote collagen production. Before fully integrating castor oil into your skincare routine, it's advisable to perform a patch test to ensure that your skin reacts well to it. Once you've confirmed that it's safe for you, incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine can help keep your skin hydrated, smooth, and healthy. Before we move on to the last few benefits of castor oil, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We have an upcoming video that reveals how to create a personalized skincare routine with castor oil. You won't want to miss it. Reason 5. Healthier, more lustrous hair. Healthy hair is a sign of overall well-being, and castor oil has earned its reputation as a powerful hair care ingredient. Whether you're dealing with hair loss, thinning, or just want to improve the health and appearance of your hair, castor oil can help. Castor oil is rich in nutrients that nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting stronger, thicker hair. Its ability to increase blood circulation to the scalp helps stimulate hair growth, making it a popular choice for those looking to enhance their hair's length and volume. For those experiencing hair loss, regular application of castor oil can help slow or even reverse the process by strengthening the hair from the root. In addition to promoting growth, castor oil also helps to condition the hair, making it softer, shinier, and easier to manage. Its thick consistency allows it to coat the hair strands, sealing in moisture and protecting against damage from styling tools and environmental factors. For best results, many people apply castor oil to their hair before bed, allowing it to work overnight. Covering the hair with a shower cap helps to prevent the oil from transferring to your pillow and ensures that it stays in contact with your hair for maximum effectiveness. In the morning, simply wash your hair as usual, though you may need to shampoo twice to remove all the oil. Beyond scalp and hair treatment, castor oil is also commonly used to enhance the growth and thickness of eyebrows and eyelashes. Applying a small amount with a clean brush can help you achieve fuller, more defined brows and lashes over time. Reason 6. Relief from constipation. Constipation is a common but uncomfortable issue that can disrupt daily life. While there are many over-the-counter remedies available, castor oil provides a natural alternative that has been trusted for generations. As a natural laxative, castor oil works by stimulating the muscles in the intestines, helping to move waste through the digestive tract more efficiently. This action is particularly helpful for those who suffer from occasional constipation or need to cleanse their intestines before a medical procedure. Many people find that taking a small dose of castor oil when they first notice signs of constipation can prevent the issue from worsening. Within hours, they experience relief, as castor oil helps to soften stools and make bowel movements easier. This gentle yet effective approach makes it a preferred choice for those looking to avoid the harsher effects of synthetic laxatives. However, it's important to use castor oil in moderation. Overuse can lead to stomach cramps, diarrhea, and dehydration. If you're considering using castor oil for constipation relief, especially on a regular basis, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right choice for you. For those who prefer to manage constipation through diet, incorporating foods rich in fiber, probiotics, and hydration can complement the use of castor oil, providing a well-rounded approach to digestive health. Reason 7. Aid in treating fungal infections. Fungal infections can be stubborn and difficult to treat, often requiring persistent care and the right products to fully eliminate. Castor oil, with its potent antifungal properties, offers a natural and effective solution for combating these infections. Whether you're dealing with athlete's foot, nail fungus, or scalp issues, castor oil can help. The oil works by inhibiting the growth of fungi, preventing the infection from spreading and gradually eliminating it. Its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin and nails makes it particularly effective against tough, persistent infections. For those suffering from scalp issues like dandruff or fungal infections, Massaging castor oil into the scalp can help soothe itching, reduce flakiness, and promote a healthier scalp environment. Regular application can also help prevent the recurrence of these issues, keeping the scalp and hair in better condition overall. When treating nail fungus, applying castor oil directly to the affected nail and surrounding skin can help reduce the infection over time. It's important to be consistent with treatment, as fungal infections can be slow to respond, but many people find that with patience, castor oil provides significant relief. In addition to its antifungal properties, castor oil also moisturizes the skin, which is important in preventing the dryness and cracking that can accompany fungal infections. This dual action makes it a valuable tool in maintaining healthy skin and nails, free from fungal issues. For best results, ensure that you're using high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil and apply it regularly until the infection is fully resolved. Castor oil is truly a versatile and powerful natural remedy that offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, soothe joint pain, enhance your skin and hair, or address digestive and fungal issues, castor oil can play a valuable role in your wellness routine. Remember, as with any natural remedy, consistency is key. By incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine, you can take advantage of its benefits while you rest, setting the stage for a healthier, more vibrant you. Which of these castor oil benefits are you most excited to try? Have you used castor oil before? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.